Hello! Today we're going to study English. We're going to study the present continuous questions. Do you remember how to do the present continuous? Well, the present continuous, if you remember, is the to be verb that goes with the correct pronoun plus the gerund form of another verb, which is the ing form. Okay, so let's look at an example of the present continuous. He is talking. So here we have he, the to be verb, and talk, then we add the ing and make it the gerund. That's the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now. Action now is when we use the present continuous. Let's look at examples of making questions in the present continuous. So, how do we make a question in the present continuous? Do you remember? Okay, so we make a question in the present continuous by putting the to be verb first, and then the verb in the gerund. But we also put the subject there. Let's look at an example. Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? So we have, let's erase that L, it's kind of messy. Okay. So is he sleeping is, we have the to be verb, then we have the subject, and then we have the verb in the gerund. And then we have the question mark. That makes the question. Is he sleeping? So you change the order in order to make a question with the to be verb. Let's look at some more examples of questions with the to be verbs and the present continuous questions. Is the car working? Is the car working? Or is it working? So here we have the to be verb, then we have the subject, and then we have the verb in the gerund. Here the subject can be it. It's the same sentence, but it takes the place of the car as the subject. So we have the to be verb, the subject, and then the verb in the gerund. So that's easy, and don't forget your question mark. Let's look at some more examples of how to make questions with the to be verb in the present continuous. So we can say, for they, are they staying for dinner? So this is a question. We have the to be verb, then we have the subject, then we have the verb in the gerund. That's how we order the words to make a question. Let's look at another example for we. Are we going to school today? So we have the to be verb, the subject, and the gerund. So that's how we make a question in the present continuous. Now, if we add a WH question, we will add it before the to be verb. So it will go like this. Where are we going today? If we want to add the question word, it goes here. WH question word, to be verb, subject, and the verb in the gerund. That's how we make a question in the present continuous using WH question words. So I hope this video has helped you to understand when we use the present continuous questions and how we make them. Don't forget that we make the present continuous questions with the to be verb plus the subject and then the gerund and the question mark. And that we use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you, and good luck with your English.